So this was actually my first time trying to make heavy cream at home, and I was completely confident it was going to work. I have seen people say you can make heavy cream using full fat milk and butter, but in my head I was like, is this really going to turn into cream, or am I about to waste my ingredients? But I decided to try it anyway. I started by dissolving my milk in a cold water. Then I warm up my full fat milk a little so everything will combine completely. The idea is simple. Heavy cream is basically milk with higher fat content. So by adding butter to milk, you are increasing the fat percentage. At this point, I was so skeptical. I put in my butter into the milk and blended it really well so it could emulsify. That's what helps the fat and liquid mix properly instead of separating. And this is the part where I was watching it closely like, okay, are we thick or not? But it actually worked. And honestly, when it started looking smooth, I felt a little relieved, but I wanted it thicker, so I mixed some cornstarch with water first, very important, so it doesn't form lumps, then blended it in.
I know your voice, I know your eyes, I know the weight you're carrying, I know the pauses in your words, like you were letting something in. We talked about the little things, like time was on our side, but silence said.
It may not whip exactly like the store-bought heavy cream, but for cooking and sauces, it does the job. So if you ever run out of heavy cream and felt stuck, this is your sign to try it, even if you are unsure like I was. Sometimes you just have to try it and see. If you enjoy simple honest kitchen experiences like this, make sure to follow my page for more easy recipes and lifestyle content. And if you try this, come back and tell me how it turned out. Thank you. Love you all. Bye.
Just one hug away.
So after making my homemade heavy cream, I had to test it. And what better way than creaming pasta? First, I parboiled my pasta. I like doing this so it's partially cooked and doesn't get soft later when everything comes together in the sauce. I added some oil to my pot and let it heat up slightly. Then I added my tomato mix and allowed it to cook down properly. This step is very important because you want the tomatoes to lose the raw taste and become rich and flavorful. Next, I seasoned it with my nut cube, a little thyme, and some curry powder. Simple spices, but they add so much depth. I let everything simmer for some minutes so the flavors could really blend. Once my sauce was well cooked, I poured in my heavy cream milk, and this was for the real taste. As soon as it went in, the sauce changed. It became smoother, lighter, and so stirred it gently and let it simmer on low heat so it could thicken slightly without curdling. Then I added my parboiled pasta and mixed everything together, making sure every piece was coated with the creamy sauce. And honestly, it turned out so good, creamy, rich, and comforting. I was actually so proud because this was my first time making the heavy cream from the scratch, and seeing it work perfectly in this pasta felt like a win. If you enjoy simple homemade cooking like this, follow my page for more easy kitchen recipes. Tell me if you would try making your own heavy cream.